My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windhawk Start Menu not working on Windows 11. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your application creating the issue, so guys, you just follow this video. First, and the simple thing is guys, you simply restart your computer. Sometime simple restart often resolve these minor glitches. Okay, if your restart or fix not work, so guys, you try to complete close your application from the background also. So how you can do it, you press Control Shift or escape button. Now when you open it, so guys, here you go and find the Windshark related any services in your background. Okay, if you find any of them, so guys, you simply click on it and then click and right click it and put into the end task. Okay, for example, this Google Chrome is working, so right click it and guys, here you see the option of end task. You also go for the app history where you can and check that how much space and how much MBs take by your applications. Like if you find, actually I am just install the Windhawk, so that's why it is not mentioned anywhere. So for example, if your if your application take too much space is CPU time, so just go click and search for online and go for the properties, and guys, try to go for the previous version, and if you find the previous version, so you install it. Okay, so these are two to three things you can do and still having the issue. So guys, you bypass the auto load if logged out. So boot your computer in the safe mode via advanced startup option. If it is broken cell, so look out your desktop, navigate to WinSock installation directory and rename your win.exe to the win.exe.old to stop it from launching the startup. Okay, second thing is guys, if your Windhawk is uh, uh, turned on during the startup, so you simply press Control Shift Escape again, and guys, here you see the option of your startup apps. So if you find your application here, so you just choose and close it. Okay, in the process here you see that, and this is the way that you can do. Okay, another thing is guys, you uninstall your Windhawk and download the new one. So for this, simply go for the new and simply for control panel. In the control panel, uninstall a program. After that, guys, go and select your Windhawk, then right click on it and uninstall it. Also remove the program settings. Okay, then guys, you reinstall it and check it. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you find any of the services not working, like for example, I am install this vertical task for the Windows 11. Okay, I am installing this option and I am facing the issue. So guys, you try to uninstall it once. Okay, so it helps you, like for example that I am install it. So if you're facing the issue, so guys, you remove it once. Okay, so this is the way that you can fix this. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.